and I'd like to show you some of the different kinds of greens you can use when you're making your bouquets and corsages. We have the ivy. We also have two kinds of geraniums. This one has a scalloped edge and this one has a ruffled edge. We also have the camellia leaf. These are usually shiny and they last a long time. We have the leather leaf fern, which you see a lot at the florists. It holds up very well. And we have the asparagus fern. This is very light and delicate. Also, I want to tell you that you can use all of these kinds of greens to make a boutonniere. If you're having trouble getting your groom to wear flowers, you can combine all these different greens together to make a boutonniere. I'm also going to use a couple of the little buds from our roses that have not bloomed yet, and I still need to use my wire and put it right through the stem and wind it with the floral tape all the way down to the end of the wire. Then I'm going to use my greens, starting with the biggest ones first in the back. I'm going to add the next kind of greens and the next one, and then I'm going to add my bud in the middle. And for this one I'm going to put in two buds, slightly offset from each other. And I'm going to wind all those stems together with the florist tape. And I'm not going to put any ribbon on this, I'm just going to leave it with the green florist tape. But I am going to wind the end slightly so that it's not just sticking out, and fold it back a little bit. And there you have a nice boutonniere without any flowers.